Okay, so second test with the Parrot Anafi thermal. We're doing 1-for-1 on all three platforms. We are going to fly just like we did with the Evo from outdoors to indoors. Now this is actually a critical test, just so you know, because in reality, the very first time, if we have the opportunity to use a drone, the very first thing we're going to do is try to clear an entryway to keep police officers safer. So this is actually a critical test. The other one, of course, is very important because they can fly it indoors once they've cleared that area, but being able to pass through a door like this and keep going is critical. So anyway, whenever you're ready, Travis, go ahead.
I forgot that one.
All right, so, oh, he's already in there. Hang on. Whoa. So he's lining it up with the hallway now. Yeah,
A little bit further.
a little bit. It made it down here just a little
right
bit.
to that entryway right there.
Whoa, Travis.
He may have just lost.
Yeah, he may have just lost it.
Yeah. Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he lost it. That's good to know. These things will just, this one will sit there and hover whenever, both of them did, right?
Yeah.
They sit there and hover. Okay. So both of them actually lost signal at, it looks like both of them lost signal at about the same location, right before this doorway. And Travis should be coming, but again, I'm gonna kind of walk this back. It's all right. You can go ahead and land it. You lost it, right? Just land it.
We lost.
Okay. Again, same place as we lost it with the Evo. In this case, going from outdoors to indoors, same place we lost it there. Down this hallway, down that hallway, and then of course out through the loading dock there. So.
Trying to get a door or a door, but I couldn't make it that.
All right. So next up is going to be the DJI Enterprise.